In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the process of personalizing your invitation template. Here is the file that you're gonna be accessing after you complete your purchase in my Etsy store. After your purchase is completed, you're gonna receive a link to download this file. After the file is downloaded, you're gonna open it, and it's gonna be 2 pages. On the second page, it's where all the important information is located. So first, to start editing our templates, we would have to access our Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account just yet, you can create a free Canva account by clicking this link. It's easy, you just have to create your own login information. You don't need to sign up for any premium Canva account, just a basic free Canva account will be enough for you to access, edit, and download your edited files. To access the design, you're gonna click on this second link, and this will take you to this page if you are already logged into Canva. Which will tell you that you are accessing a template made by me. Here you can see what's included in the template, and if you are ready to personalize your design, you're gonna click Use Template for New Design. After that, the design page will open, and all those 3 pages that are included in the template will appear. And here is where you can start customize your template. So first you can change the names. So for example, I'm gonna put Julia, Billy, and because we are using different letters, our type now went into our place for our picture. That's an easy fix. You can just grab your box where your text is and just move it around. Also, you can change the size of the type. If you want to sustain the same size of the type on both names, you can click first one, and holding the Shift key, you can click the second name, and using this corner, you can adjust the size of your type. If you wanna move the end sign, you can do the same. You just grab it and you can move it in your desirable place. So I want to make sure that my names do not overlap any other text, but like I said, if that's the case, you can easily move it. And now that we are happy with our name update, we can now personalize our template with our picture. And to do that, you're gonna upload a picture of your choice. This is just a stock image that I'm using to show you how to do it. So you just drag your picture, you drop it in that field, and it will upload to your files under the tab Uploads. And now we can just grab the picture, hover it over the circle, and the system will drop the picture into our circle. If you want to adjust the layout, you can move the picture. My picture is exactly the size, but if you want to extend the picture, make a part bigger and just visible, you can do it by double clicking on the picture and then clicking out, and you have adjusted your picture. If you are having trouble dropping the picture, you have to make sure that the picture tile is the top layer of the design. So to do that, you can go to the position. If you click on the file, you go to the positions, you go to layers, and you can see the order of layers. If you see this part over, you will have trouble dropping the picture in, but it's an easy fix. You can just grab it, bring it down, drop your picture, and if you want the frame design to be on top of your picture, you can drag it back up. Now that top of our invitation is edited, we can edit any text. So if you want to change any text, you can do that. If you would like a different style of type on your invitation, you can highlight the text you want to change and select any type from the list, as long as it doesn't have those little crowns next to it. That means it's a paid type that you will have to sign up for the premium account to access. But there is tens of types that you can choose from and use it for free without paying additional fees. If you made your change and you're not happy with it, you can always go back and it will bring the previous type selection. Here you can edit your date. So for example, we're gonna update the template to reflect the date of our wedding, the time, and the location of the ceremony, and then any additional notes you want to add on the front page of your invitation. Then you can count down to the details of your ceremony, the address, the name of the venue that you chose, any other information you would like to include. So you can prompt your guests to send you an email if they want to RSVP to your event, and to visit your website. So you can type in the website address so your guest can access the website to get any additional details needed. And also in this template there is a third page included. If you would like to print separate pages for page 1 and 2, you can then print this heart motif on the back of those pages as well. After you made all your edits, you're gonna download the file. You can download the files as images or as PDF files, whatever you think will work best with the printer that you have. Or if you're using external printing services, just check with them and ask them what kind of files they would like to work with best, and that kind of file you can download. So you just click the share button, then you go to downloads. Here you can choose the type of file you would like to download. You can use JPEG or standard PDF, whatever file is requested by your printer, and click download. Your file now it's saved in your download folder on your computer, but that doesn't mean you cannot come back and make additional changes. You can do that at any time. Project will be saved in your project file on Canva. That's why it's necessary to have your account created, because at any time you can come back, access your project, you can edit it, you can add to it, and add as many edits or alterations as you desire. And to do that, after you log in, have the main page view. You can just scroll down and you will see your recent work here, or you can go to the project and also access your project again to make additional changes. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help as much as I can. And if you would like me to create a design that you can't find on my website just yet, reach out and we can work together on a personal stationery design for your event. Thanks for watching.